Components of Scratch window. Let us now learn about the components of Scratch window. Title bar. It is at the top of the Scratch window. It shows Scratch written on the left. The right side of the title bar has three control buttons: minimize, maximize, and close. Menu bar. It contains options and commands related to the projects that you created in Scratch. The options are File, Edit, Tutorial, and name of the Scratch project. Stage area. It is similar to a stage in a play where everything takes place. You can watch stories, play games, and run your Scratch projects on the stage. In Scratch, the background is called backdrop. Sprite. It is the actor who acts on the stage. Sprite is an object in Scratch that performs the function on stage area. The default sprite in Scratch is an orange cat. Go button. It is the green flag, and when you click on it, it runs a Scratch program. Stop button. It is the red button which on clicking stops the running Scratch program. Sprites info pane. It is just below the stage area. It shows all the details of sprites and backdrops used in a project. You can add, delete, see the name and location, increase and decrease the size of a sprite. Similarly, you can add or change the backdrop. Block menu. It displays the categories of blocks based on their function and use. These blocks within the same category share the same color, which allows better distinction of the parts of a program. Coding area. It is also called the scripts area, where you stack your blocks to create scripts. If you save a project with a script, the script will also be saved. When we click on a script, all the blocks execute from top to bottom. Script. Script is a collection of a number of stacked blocks. It gives stepwise instructions to a sprite to do something on the stage. Script is actually a program which gives the instructions in the form of blocks. A script must have at least 2 blocks. Backdrop. It is a background of the stage. Tabs. Scratch has mainly 3 tabs, which are described as follows. Code tab. It contains block categories and the list of blocks in a category. Some block categories are motion, looks, sound, pen, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. All block categories are of different colors. In Scratch, each block performs a task in a project. The blocks connect to each other like a jigsaw puzzle and create scripts. Costumes tab. In this tab, you can add and make changes in the appearance of the sprites and backdrop. Sounds tab. In this tab, you can add and make changes in the sounds of the sprite and backdrop.